In this video, we are going to see about two important ceremonies which has happened on our college, on a medical college, that is Stethoscope ceremony, right? So I am not well actually because for last 2 days before I was admitted in hospital. So due to some fever, because of high fever, I got admitted in hospital and all. Which is the only thing which makes us different is a white coat with the stethoscope. That is the only thing which can differentiate you as a doctor. Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about two important ceremonies which has happened on our college, on a medical college, that is not only on our medical college, in every medical college these two ceremonies definitely it is used to happen, because this is the two ceremonies which will make you to feel that you are a medical student, and you can also feel that I'm going to a future doctor. They'll say, right, a goosebumps moment, right? Definitely this will definitely make you feel that what is the two ceremony you may have. If you're a medical student, definitely you may know it, medical student, or if you're a Neet aspirant, definitely you may have not have that much knowledge. So definitely I'm going to share what are things happen in these two ceremonies. I'm saying just like that, two ceremonies, right? That is, what is the name of it? Definitely I'm going to say now. That is, normally if you see MBBS first year, we can get three subjects, that is anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. In this anatomy, if you see, it is a very vast subject. There we are going to study everything. You can say anatomy means most of the muscles, everything, nerves, every part of the body. We can study the structural organization in our body, but functionally what happens inside, that we are going to study in physiology. In biochemistry, the inside molecular level reaction, whatever things happens, we'll study in biochemistry. Very simple. The thing here is, in anatomy, if you see, the first important ceremony which happened for me, that also it has happened, I think around it was gone around 1 month or 2 months also, but still I'm not made a video because I didn't get time. But I want to make a video because that video will be a little bit short, so I want to compile with this physiology ceremony. The second thing is that is about the physiology. That is, in physiology, if you see, it deals with our functions of the body, right? What are the functions happens? So here, in the physiology department, they used to keep a very, very important ceremony, that is stethoscope ceremony. Very, very important. This only will make you to feel that I'm a medical student or I'm a doctor. The first thing, that is anatomy, cadaver ceremony, will make you learn what are things you are going to see inside in our body, how the muscles look, everything we are going to learn from anatomy only. So that also will make you to feel a little bit as you see in Instagram, right? They used to give a cadaver, what is a dead body, you used to see some muscles and all. As you may see in phone, just like that, you can see a video on phone. But as a medical student, when you see directly like that, this will make you also to feel that I am a medical student. I'm seeing this much things, internal structures, muscles, nerves, everything, right? So these are the things, very important ceremonies I'm going to talk about. Let us first cover with physiology, okay? The reason is I'm saying first thing is about physiology is because I have more photos related to physiology. It is a stethoscope ceremony, right? In this, many things I have to say. And one more thing I will say about the anatomy ceremony also, that is cadaver ceremony. I will say the cadaver ceremony at the last because it was going to be a little bit short, but physiology is going to be a little bit more than anatomy, I can say. So let us start with physiology, okay? I think physiology, that is stethoscope ceremony, has happened recently, only around 1 week or I think around 10 days only it has happened before. So that is the thing which still I can remember what other things happened. So I'm going to stay first with physiology. It is about the stethoscope ceremony. Normally if you see, before 1 day they used to inform that you should come with white coat. Normally if you see in a medical college, definitely if you want to go into the lecture hall, definitely you must wear a white coat. But now I have said that there is a stethoscope ceremony. If there is tomorrow, they are going to keep the stethoscope ceremony. What they will say is, should you wear a white coat with proper uniform, should be white and it should be neat. That is the thing, very, very important. And one more thing is, the name itself starts with stethoscope ceremony, right? So definitely you should have a stethoscope. They have given me a stethoscope and I want to bring it. That is the thing. One more thing before it is the day before the stethoscope ceremony, right? So I am not well actually because for last 2 days before I was admitted in hospital. So due to some fever, because of high fever, I got admitted in hospital and all. The reason is normally if you see, I don't like to take leave for unwanted reasons and all. Normally, if there is any fever, also I try to take tablets and go and sit in the lecture hall and go to the colleges. The reason is I don't want to miss classes. I want to be regular. It is a main goal of mine. But one thing which make me to learn also from here is when I'm regular, I should also see my health. So what happened in the starting? I was getting a little bit fever, high fever like normal cold, and I can say that body pain and all. I will feel a little bit weak. That is a normal symptoms. I also thought the same. So after 1 or 2 days, it did the fever didn't reduced. So what is I gone to hospital also. They have given me tablets. Again, it didn't reduce because the only thing wrong thing I have done is I was going to the college continuously because I want to travel through buses and there they used to give any work and I should study. This thing I was doing continuously for 2 days. After taking tablets also, that fever didn't got reduced. So one day what happened after 2 3 days, that is before the 2 days before the stethoscope ceremony, what happened? The fever was gone a little bit high, I think so. I don't know what is the exact fever. I went again to the hospital. They said that yeah, now the fever is 104. So definitely you should not go to the college. They have said that definitely you can't go to the college because this much fever definitely you can't go, otherwise you can not listen to class like this. So definitely you should take rest. So for that reason, they don't know because why this much fever you have got, because they have to test my blood and all, because whether it is a bacterial infection or any viral infection, everything they want to know. Finally, in the test, nothing has came actually, because normal that is they have said that normal viral fever only, nothing to worry. They are just simply have rested in the hospital for 2 days. But I was feeling tired in the 2 days itself. After slowly only I can say that the cough or the cold was reduced slightly. And after next day, after 2 days, the next day is the stethoscope ceremony. I want to go there because already I have taken 2 days leave. I felt like something. I already said right. I don't want to take unwanted leaves. If there is fever also, I don't like to take leave. But this 2 days leave, I felt really. What I can say is I have left 2 classes. I have not given any test in that time. They have given some test also, so I have missed it. I felt a little bit bad also in that time, but I felt like it's okay because of health only. I'm taking leave, right? So it is a valid reason. Definitely, you can also take it. I felt like that, and finally, after the next day, after 2 days, I thought that definitely again we can't be able to take any leave and all. So definitely we should go it because stethoscope ceremony is very, very important ceremony that definitely we should participate. I should see what is happening, right? So what I thought, I felt a little bit better. I have a little bit cold, like light cold or a little bit. Fever was all right. Fever was came to zero. Normal body temperature, I got it. But cold was a little bit there. But I felt I can do my day. So what I thought is I can go to the college for the next day. That is the stethoscope ceremony. So finally I went there. I have sitting in the lecture hall. In that lecture hall only the event was mostly organized. First thing they have done is they have invited the chief guest. There is, I can say, many of the chief guests came. 2 3 chief guests came, and there is one main chief guest. I will show you whom he is. So definitely this is how we have invited the chief guest. So finally, after coming into the lecture hall, given the seats in the front to make them sit, and finally after sitting from our with a shawl, we have welcomed them, and finally from the physiology department, the associate professors, they came forward and talked some words about the chief guests who are sitting in the front, right? Wow, who are they? What are things they have done? Everything that made us to introduce the chief guest. So finally, have listened everything. After this, that is an important thing. That is the main chief guest and other chief guests talked about this stethoscope ceremony. The one thing is, many of them have talked many things about the stethoscope ceremony. It's very, very important in our life. Very important in the medical field. Stethoscope ceremony, which is very, very important. Everything they have said. They have talked more things about the stethoscope ceremony. What is ceremony? They have shared about the past things which happened in their time. Many of them have talked. Many chief guests have talked about the stethoscope ceremony. But one thing I want to say, the main chief guest, what he told us is about the stethoscope ceremony. Very, very important. I felt really happy when he talked because whenever he is talking, right, His voice is something like very bold. He's sitting. If suddenly somebody gives a slap, how it will be? Will get active, right? So sound that much hard and bold he is just talking in that age. So he's, I think he have done many things in medical field. I don't want to waste time by saying what he have done is, but he have done very various things in the medical field. One thing he has said is normally nowadays the medical students and the doctors are not getting that much value. The reason is we can see most of the cases around us, most of the incidents. One more thing is this stethoscope ceremony is a special thing because normally the white coat we wear, right? Nowadays many of them are wearing. If you see outside, petrol bunk, otherwise normal people also used to wear for simple reason. And somebody used to use the word also doctors. For some reason, some degrees or not, they used to say doctor, but actual doctors are we. He used to say that. So that makes me feel that one more thing, which is the only thing which makes us different, is a white coat with the stethoscope. That is the only thing which can differentiate you as a doctor. So that is a very, very important thing about the stethoscope ceremony, because he says that in the stethoscope ceremony, it is the only ceremony which gives identity to the medical student. This is the ceremony which is happening for the medical students or the future doctors. This is the only thing which is present in the current situation. So it is the only thing which I felt that is definitely this stethoscope is very, very important, because in the time when I'm wearing the stethoscope, first time I'm wearing it. Before, normally they have got the stethoscope before they have given it, but I didn't still wear it because there is a respect for it. So we should wear only in the stethoscope ceremony, I thought it. So what I thought is in the time only I have wear it. So finally he said about this, I felt really a goosebump moment, right? So because he said this much thing, this is the very important ceremony, and this only happens for medical field, that makes me a little bit happy about what he has said. So definitely I felt really happy by his words. I feel really happy to see him as a main chief guest for our stethoscope ceremony, and I should thank him actually, because he's that much energetic person. I think definitely his talks was fabulous. Everything they have talked, and finally I have said that many chief guests came and talked about it. And next thing which happened in our stethoscope ceremony is that is taking the oath. The oath should be taken by us, and it should be given by our HOD, that is head of our department, Dr. Naveen sir from the physiology department, has made us to repeat the oath. The proper procedure to when you are saying the oath. First thing is you should wear the stethoscope in your around the neck. You should wear the stethoscope in a perfect position, and finally you should make your right hand straight. Okay, you should make your right hand straight, and after it you should hold the oath paper in left hand, and finally we should repeat the oath with our HOD sir. That is a simple thing. You say normally everybody can't for line by line they can't able to stand and make them everybody to wear with by help of chief guest and all. So what they used to do is they will call some students. If I say example, a rep of the class, they got a stethoscope from the chief guest itself. So I can show you the pic also. So these are the things which happen already. So the main things happen. Definitely this is the thing definitely unforgettable, because after this many things happens, like we used to take a group photo as a family or classmates sitting at the back. So definitely this makes really a memories for us. And finally HOD also of our department take selfies and many things, funny moments like
five-star general, who you know comparable.